morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has gained 1.3% in the last 3 sessions. The highs-lows indicator is diminishing into the neutral area. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The ROC has collapsed into the negative area. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 1% in the last 3 sessions. The ADX has shot up into positive territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last 3 sessions. Stochastic has shifted into overbought territory.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The U.S. Federal Trade Commission said that buyers of polluting Volkswagen vehicles received more than $9.8 billion in settlements. LSE report says even sectors unscathed from coronavirus crisis will be severely affected by the Brexit aftermath. Bitcoin and Ethereum may extend their rally in the week ahead if U.S. dollar weakness persists, in tandem with swelling demand for higher beta assets.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The German unemployment rate will be released at 5:55 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 700 GMT, the German CPI at 1000 GMT, the U.S. GDP at 1030 GMT, and the U.S. initial jobless claims at 1030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.